Today we are going to know the quantities of materials required for 1 cubic meter of M20 grade concrete. So M20 grade means 1:1, 1.5:3. Here in this is the cement, and this is the fine aggregate, and this is the coarse aggregate. So we are going to find each material's quantity for 1 cubic meter. Okay, that means the weight of each material, that is cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. Before that, finding that, we need to know the dry density of these aggregates. Okay, the cement dry density is 1440 kgs per cubic meter. Coming to the fine aggregate, its dry density is 1600 kg per cubic meter. Coming to the coarse aggregate, its dry density is 1750 kg per cubic meter. Okay, so dry densities of cement is 1440 kg per cubic meter, and fine aggregate, that means sands, is 600 kg per cubic meter, and coarse aggregate 1750 kg per cubic meter. So to convert the wet volume to dry volume, there is a formula for that. Dry volume equal to 1.54 into wet volume. Okay, so we need to multiply the wet volume into 1.54. Okay, so here is the formula for cement. For cement, take this one, 1 by divided by 1 plus 1.5 plus 3. Multiply this into 1.54. Here we get the value 0.28 cubic meters. So it's the cubic meter form. So we need to convert this into kgs. For that, multiply this with 1440, this is cement. Multiply with 1440. So here you get the value of 403.2 kgs. Okay, 403.2 kgs. Coming to the fine aggregate, take 1.5. So add the total 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5 plus 0.5. So 5.5 into 1.54. That is equals to, we will get the 0.420 cubic meter. So multiply this into 1600, there we will get the value in kgs, which is 672 kgs. Okay, yeah, 672 kgs. Then find the coarse aggregate, that is, take this 3 divided by 5.5 into 1.54, that is equals to 0.84 cubic meters. Multiply this 0.84 with the 1750. Here we will get the value of 1218. That means 1218 kgs. Okay, so for 1 cubic meter of M20 grade concrete, we need to use, so we required 403.2 kgs of cement and 672 kgs of sand, that means coarse aggregate, and 1218 kgs of coarse aggregate. Okay, so cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. For this we need to find out the water cement ratio. Okay, water cement ratio. Water cement ratio. This water cement ratio is lies in the between 0.4 to 0.65. 0.4 to 0.65. So first we will calculate for 50 kgs, that means 1 bag of cement, its weight is equals to 50 kgs. For this we will first calculate the water cement ratio. So water cement ratio is for 50 into, take this from 0.4 to 0.65, I will consider the 0.45. Hence we will get the answer is 22.5 liters. So for 1 bag of cement we require 22.5 liters of water. Okay, so for 1 bag of cement, the weight of cement for 1 bag is 50 kgs, and we get the cement weight is 403.2 kgs. Okay, 403.2 kgs. So convert this into bags. For that, convert weight into bags. For that, 403.2 divided by 50. Here we get the number of bags. Okay, number of bags. Approximately we get the 8.06 bags. So for these 8.06 bags, we need to find out the total water required. Total water required equal to 22.5 into 8.06, which is equals to, we will get 181, approximately 181 liters of water. So for M20 grade 1 cubic meter of concrete, totally we required 403.2 kgs of cement and 672 kgs of sand, that means fine aggregate, and 1218 kgs of coarse aggregate. Okay, and waters required for these M20 grade 1 cubic meter is, the required water is 181 liters. Okay, thank you for watching.